So because actually I'm attending game dev conferences, and I often hear that like translation is like a closed question. So it just will be AI done by AI. So no need for human anything. And this is for me is the greatest mistake that developers make, because any translation, well, localization is not just translation of word to word translation. So it's also adapting your game. It's also making you, it's captivating and understandable. And this is what AI sometimes misses. Also, what is missing usually when game developers come to Alconost, for example, already having done AI translation, they just get their like text assets, strings they have in the game, they get it translated, but they do not consider how the context of how the strings are used in the game. So there may be a great difference of how even the word cancel is translated based on whether it's a button or whether it's part of the menu, or so it may have like up to 3 or 4 translations in different languages. So depending on the language. So sometimes I see that no context was provided to AI, and no context was in any way made clear in the prompt. And this leads to basically a translation that should be redone. Another thing is keeping consistency of character names, for example, of items, of things like that. And for that, you need a glossary. So this is another thing that a company like mine, like Alconost, can help you with. When you have just the strings, you need to get the names of your main characters. You need to get the names of your main items. You maybe need the names of quests, something like that. And you need them to be consistent throughout the game, because otherwise your players just won't understand where to go, so what to do and who to address, for example. So this is another mistake that I see often when we talk about AI translations, which is not really a mistake, it just is not considered in the prompt, is not considered when AI translation is done, and this is why AI sometimes is not really usable. So and one more thing here maybe to highlight is that any translation, AI or human translation, actually in a game, it needs QA stage. So as a QA analyst, I think you understand why, because a lot of things may go wrong. Some strings are too long, some strings are too short, some characters not translators or AI translation is not clear on the agenda, and it can break the game and it can break the immersion, and this is what you want to get with localization usually.